And now our next contestant is Mohit Bajaj from HCL Technologies, Delhi. What is interesting is Mohit creates music through beatboxing. Can we hear a round of applause for him? Come on, everybody.
I'm feeling really nervous for my performance, obviously because my competitors, they are using an instrument and they are quite technically, good. They have been practicing their stuff for last 8 years or 10 years, and I have been doing beatboxing since last 3 years. So I'm quite confused at what kind of reactions that I'll get from the audience and the judges.
Desk 1, Desk 2, Desk 3, Thank you.
I want to hear it once again. The book, 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 But that's fantastic! Give it up for him!
Thank you.
Mohit, man, you blew everybody's mind. You're your own music.
Yeah.
So now, moving on to the judges. You know what is interesting?
Yes.
Because Leslie's vote will be a secret now.
Definitely.
But Leslie,
Awesome.
I know you want to say something on this music. What is it?
We just heard a rock star.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Amazing,
Thank
amazing.
you.
Really cool.
Oh, thank you. Like, to hear from Leslie Lewis, you're one of the few musicians. I'm being honest. You're one of the few musicians in India that are really good. Trust me on that.
Thank you.
I'm a big time metalhead, and metalhead never lies. So trust me on that. Big time.
But I must say that you have to pat yourself on the back. You're rocking. You're completely awesome.
Thank you. Really.
So Madhur, over to you. How was the performance?
आई थिंक कि ये जो पीछे म्यूजिशियन बैंड है उनका पैकअप कर देते हैं आज.
I'm blushing.
आई थिंक जो मुझे 2 मिनट के लिए पहले मैं लगा कि उन लोग पीछे बजा रहे हैं, आप कुछ कर रहे हो, लेकिन तब आई रियलाइज कि इट्स एब्सोल्युटली सुपर्ब. बहुत बहुत कमाल. आई थिंक इट वाज रियली गुड बिकॉज यू नो व्हाट, आई रिमेंबर माय चाइल्डहुड व्हेन आई वाज चाइल्ड आई यूज्ड टू डू ऑल दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स, यू नो, कोशिश करता था. तो बट एब्सोल्युटली द वे with such a long duration, it was super, very nice. Mohit, really you have absolutely very commendable job you have done. And मैं मेरी ज़बान में कहूँगा तो बोलूँगा जलवा.
Thank you.
जलवा जलवा.
So Madhu, can I ask a question?
Darling,
So-
I'm all ready to answer. Ready.
No, like, so will you put this in your next movie, something like this, you know?
अगर कुछ ऐसा you know, if something is there, if I make Corporate Part 2, you are there part 2.
Thank you.
Thank you.
My God. But can we see your scores?
Yeah, definitely.
Be corporate with the definitely. Corporate 2. है ना?
मैं आगे की भी फील्डिंग कर रहा हूँ.
And now over to you, Toby.
Oh, thank
Hey,
you.
Toby, have you ever tried beatboxing?
I know if I ever try beatboxing, I'll be spitting like crazy, you know. But obviously, when you did your 3 places, you mixed all the 3 pieces together. You showed it within your rhythm that you even made it like an act, not just beatboxing. You moonwalked a little, passed by, and things like that. So your stage presence is obviously excellent. You have something that what we call as charisma on stage. So I was looking at you as enjoying every bit that you did. Congratulations, dude. You are really good.
Thank you.
Beatboxing is not easy.
I really want to ask one question to Mohit.
Yes.
Please, for my knowledge, I want to know how you learned, how much time it took you.
Okay, so-
and how long you've been practicing this.
Okay, like, should I
Chote mein.
be really honest?
Very honest, brutally honest.
Okay, brutally honest, then, you know, it happened after my breakup. You know, I was totally,
My God! This guy was in love.
So 3 years back, I was damn depressed. मेरे को पता नहीं था क्या करूँ. So I saw this guy on America's Got Talent. Yeah, he was doing beatboxing. So I tried copying him. So my friends told me, जा भी stage पे जा, we will cheer for you. So
क्या बात है?
So actually what happened, everybody cheered for me, and from that on my confidence built it up and my level also increased.
Touch wood,
That's
this
the-
level will go different stages.
Thank you.
I'm feeling really good and proud also that, you know, especially the comment from Leslie Lewis, you know, because I really adore that musician because of Coke Studio and what he has done to music industry, what he has like given us as music.